I've been working in commercial banking for the previous 10 years.
Working 5 years in the financial services industry.
Large pharmaceutical company.
I actually have an undergraduate degree in physics.
I'm a computer engineer by profession.
I taught for a few years.
I was working as an engineer.
A mechanical engineer.
HR.
I was quickly thrown into a consulting role.
I started my own company.
I love being a nurse.
I was in the Army.
I was writing computer software prior to that.
Groomed to take over my father's company.
I worked in public policy.
Got my master's degree in pharmacology and actually went on to medical school.
I was struggling a little bit at work to get where I wanted to be.
You know, I had reached a ceiling. I felt I learned a lot in banking.
I found myself on a crossroads.
I knew that I had some gaps.
I didn't have a traditional business background. I realized a couple of years ago that I didn't want to be at the bedside forever.
I was ready to lead my own team. I was ready to pitch to clients myself with my own recommendations.
I wanted to be active in global market.
And I wanted to learn more about innovation, product development, how to market a new product.
And I really wanted to explore something different.
Something that could springboard me to that next level.
But I also really wanted to challenge myself in different industries, through different functions.
Pursue the next step in my career.
And so I realized an MBA would likely be just that.
It was time to come back and get an MBA.
I wanted to pursue my MBA.
An MBA?
MBA program.
And at first I thought, oh no, that's not for me.
Knew that I wanted to get an MBA.
I'm not a stuffy business person.
It's a long-term investment in myself.
And it's one of the best decisions that I have ever made.
I think I need to go back to school and pursue an MBA.
To professionalize all those experiences that I had.
Mixing together sort of people skills and then hard technical skills.
To get a broader view of how businesses work internationally.
To network with like-minded students, people who are ambitious, people who want to make a difference.
That opened me up to this whole array of new possibilities. What can be done through business?
I'm going back to business school because I want to actually institute change in the world
and just become a broader business leader.